This 2024 Coachmen Remote 16R is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Canterbury, Connecticut, 06331 and is offered for sale by Souza Wholesale Trailers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, water heater, awning, spare tire kit, LP detector, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, smoke detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Remote 16R is 3,054 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.